Okay guys, so you're welcome once again on this channel, and thank you very much for clicking on this video. If you are new over here, please tap on the subscribe button and also like the video if you think this video is very helpful to you. So today I got a message from Google Adsense telling me that I have been enrolled for certification, which is the self certification. So let me show it to you and let me read, or let's share it together. So as you can see over here, YouTube Tech Hub, which is the name of my channel, and it says self certification is now live for your channel. So now we are introducing self certification. So self certification is now live on my channel, and they said self certification gives you more control over your videos monetization. Answer a few questions during your next upload to determine if your video gets a green or yellow icon. If you consistently answer these questions accurately, we will reply or rely more on your input to make monetization decision and less on our automated system, which reduce the number of mistakes. So you can read more over here. As you can see, you can also watch video over here to understand how it rolls. So I just got this around 2. Yeah, it's now around 12:23, which is Tuesday 17th of October. Yeah, so this is the message that I got from Adsense. So as you can see, I don't want the video to be long, so, or should I read it? Okay, let me read it. It says tips for self-certification. Help us rate your video. Answer a few questions to determine whether your upload get a green or yellow icon. Not sure how to answer? Rate your video as not suitable for all advertisement and request a fast review. We will put someone on the case. Rate accurately. When you accurately flag brand unsafe content, we will know we can rely on your input. Get familiar with our ad-friendly content guidelines. So you can tap on that and read more about that. So it will be in the video description for you guys to read more about it. And also it says influence your monetization experience over time. We will start to rely more on your input if it's consistently accurate. This means you will have more of a hand in your videos rating and overall monetization experience. So this is what I got from Google Adsense. So thank very much for sharing this with you. Thank you for clicking on this video, and also thanks for spending your time on this video. I think this video might help you and it's very cool. So see you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section. See you. Bye bye.